And here's what I got. Be You Always brand. Are from Spain. Are you guys ready? Here we go. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and we have an unboxing to do. So it was my first time shopping at Matches.com, and I want to share with you guys what I got. I got a couple of things, and also my first time buying stuff from those two brands. So are you ready? Let's get started. So this is a true unboxing, and I'll do my best to show you guys everything. Let's see. Here we go. This box is huge. Okay, flip it. Here we go. I believe this is their signature packaging, and it's eco-friendly gift box. Moment. Need some strength to pull this box out. The box is out. Okay, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready to see what I got? Actually, let me change the camera angle. Here it is. Such a beautiful box, very unique print. And here's what I got. Okay, we have information about returning stuff. And I did write myself a short message. Be you always. To remind ourselves to be ourselves and just be confident. Here we go. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So again, this is my first time shopping this brand. It's called Toral, and it's a Spanish brand. And yep, as you can see, they sell shoes or mostly boots. Here they are. I love the color. I'm so excited to receive this because I've seen some other boots that I might want to purchase, but I want to see first the quality. First off, this is very soft suede. The blue color is really great. It's actually what I'm going for. When I was shopping, I was specifically looking for light blue boots. It just happened that it has other colors, which I think all color kind of come together. They all came together to create this beautiful piece. I love it. So I have a lot of boots. They are mostly dark color, mostly for fall and winter. And I thought I also want to wear boots for summertime. And these are perfect. Here they got. So they only have full sizes. I wear Stuart Weitzman. I'm 6.5, but for this specific brand, I got 7. Here you go. Let me know what you think. Do you like the color? Have you shopped Toral brands before? Let me know in the comments what you think about this brand, if you had experience shopping from them. And if not, and you guys are looking for unique boots, this might be a great store for you. So that's the first thing. And the next one, again, my first time shopping from this brand, and I'm so excited to see it. It's from Hereu again. Oh, this is crafted in Spain. I'm not sure if it's a brand from Spain, but I believe these are also made from Spain. Yeah, made in Spain. These are made in Spain, so both of these items are from Spain. Are you guys ready? Here we go. Oh my gosh. It's such a beautiful, cute bag. This is like a Bottega. This is like a Bottega, but much more affordable option. And it's so soft. The craftsmanship, you could see it. The weave. They're so good. Let's see inside. So let's see if they have the original price here. I think the original price is about 350. It's in the mid 300s, but I only paid like 220. And this is the perfect small bag. Don't you like discovering new brands? Here you go. Hereu, crafted in Spain. It's a very nice canvas, thick canvas inside. Oh my gosh, the smell of the leather, it reminds me of my, when I was younger, because we didn't have a lot of store in the Philippines back then when I was in grade school, so we had our shoe made, and this is exactly the smell of the leather that I could remember back in the days. It has this very thin, tiny crossbody strap or shoulder strap. I love it. It's so cute, perfect for the summer and anytime actually. So here you go. If you're someone who likes small bags and just, you know, need to put the essentials in, this might be a good bag for you. Let's try. I have a very small phone. Let's try it. Here it is. I have an iPhone 12 mini. I know my phone is old and I don't care. So here it is. It fits very nicely. I could tell the bigger phone could still fit. It's with my iPhone mini inside, it still has about 1 to 2 inches give and take. And again, this is very soft, so it's not constricting when it comes to putting bigger items inside. It will kind of stretch. And as you could see, it's very roomy. You could still put wallet, some small makeup essentials, even your sunglasses would still fit in here. So here it is, my bag. I will link below in the description these items. I believe they also have this in Bergdorf Goodman. We recently moved to Canada and that's why I couldn't shop from there anymore. And I'm glad I found MatchesFashion because they got some beautiful pieces and some brands that, you know, that a little different from what we're used to in the US. So there you have it. So here is a closer look. I love these details right here. And this is beautiful. Also, again, I love the color combination. Primarily, I bought it because of the light blue, but all these yellow, beige, and lighter beige here, they all came together. And I don't know if you noticed, but it has green right here. Go. And this is full leather lining. And I also noticed that they added some padding. It's pretty soft. There you go. Love it. And here is the Hereu Bombon Bag. Very beautiful. Has the magnetic closure here and these snaps on the side. And if you need to make it bigger, just open the snaps. And it's fully lined with canvas and a leather stamp here with the branding right here. Beautiful braided handles and weaving. Thank you guys for joining me. Please tell me in the comments if you like the Toral Boots that I just discovered, and if you've shopped from that brand before, let me know in the comments how much you love it, because I'm really eyeing on another one and I really want to buy it. And we just recently moved here in Edmonton, Canada. The shopping experience is also different. I'm discovering new stores and I would like to share all of those with you guys soon. So stay tuned, please hit subscribe and be alerted for my next coming videos. Thank you so much again for joining me today. I'm Kristen Flores, your artsy momsy, and see you next time. Bye!